day three, like day two, we've been into this underworld, this beach place, this raw, this wildness. We're shaking off the shit, and we've named what needs to come true. We've met some archetype or some spirit that we want to work, that we're going to work with, tune into. So day three is, from in my perspective, in my language, is like initiation into the priesthood. We can use priest, priestess, or priestess, whichever language is like, but we become finally attuned to whatever spirit or archetype or energy form that calls to us. It calls to us, or if we want to name it, we can name it. So it's like a connection experience, initiation experience. Initiation is such a powerful word, and I think day three is like rebirth, reclaiming something for our lives, and setting forth. It's like earlier in a previous interview or conversation, we talked about this wheel. I think this is when we return to the fucking starting point, but our life is transformed, and I'm super inspired by this. Yeah, what's your vision of day three?
Yeah, day three, even already when you speak about it, I feel this release of, like, let's say we went on that journey, it's been intense, we faced some stuff, you know, and then we went through that and we know we did it. And this ease that comes along with that, this release, like, yeah, I did it. And the yeah, the reward, there is a reward in it. That's also what the hero's journey is about. We don't just make it for fun. We bring something with us into back, we're going back towards the ordinary world, but we're not there yet. This is the end, the arrival. But we have a whole day enjoying what we earned, like forming our elixir that we take from this journey, that and that we load with symbolism, and that we can enjoy and indulge in, and really amplify the newness that comes for us after such a journey, and really taking time to bathe in that, so that when we go back to the ordinary, that we literally are changed. And therefore we want to take a whole day also for this, and this can be a day of triumph also, you know. So that's how I see day three. Yeah, yeah, it's a rising up basically.
You're glowing as you speak, like your aura is like, do you believe in auras? I don't know. Some part of you is glowing as you share your truth with this. I think it's, you know, deep, powerful magic in there. It's like the powerful chance for transformation and yeah, personal growth, and that's sort of the initiation. And because it's the kinky version, all these things are going to be really good fun and community building and invited. You know, we're going to have some powerful experiences. Um,
And these experiences are also multi-layered, right? And the rewards that we take, like on one plane we have we're working with our lives, with our past, with our personality, with our transformation, and that can be as deep as we want it to be. It can be therapeutic, even though we're not offering a therapy workshop, but it has these therapeutic elements. And at the same time, since we are using sexual elements, kinky elements, to work with that the whole time. So we include also this, and the reward is also in our intimate life, in our way how we relate, and in our way how we express, and how we express in a sexual way. So I think, Johnny, you would say that it also helps us to become better lovers, right? Is that accurate? I think I remember something like that from you.
yeah, no, I always say that. I think every time you go to a kink or sexuality workshop, you learn more about becoming a better lover. Yeah, and I think that's an important thing. Learning how to receive pleasure more, learning more about boundaries and consent and holding space. Every workshop, even if it has grandiose themes about death, resurrection, we are learning the intricacies of intimacy, and that's the side bonus that I'm very excited about.